All right. Today did not lack any excitement and there was a lot going on, but more importantly, we just need to sit here and focus on looking at the chart. And looking at this chart of SPY, we have a very simple chart to read, and it is going to be whether or not we can bounce off of 565 and continue higher towards 581, or are we just going to crash right down through it and come back down towards 550. So this is really all it comes down to, is whether or not price holds above 565 or slices right through it. Below 565, I'm looking for 560 and then 556. And obviously, if we break that support, view that as extremely bearish. And that means we're going to have a very bearish October. If we hold above 565, the bulls are not out of this. They still have the possibility of a bull trend, bounce off of a retest, and still possibility to push towards 581. Now, like I said, this was a crazy day and there is a lot of noise. So focus in on a trade plan around following price at this very critical level at 565. On the NASDAQ 100 triple Qs, we were down 1.39% today. And again, a crazy day. We have one critical level here, and that is going to be right around 483. And we did close below it. And below 483, we are very likely going down towards 473. And then from there, we're going to have to see if the bulls can get the bounce and continue the bull trend, or are we just going to continue crashing down towards the next support lower right around 460. So 473 is the very critical support now that we are getting risk off below 483. If the bulls can reclaim 483, it will look like just a retest and a bounce. And then we could push back higher towards the top of the range right around 493 and then 503. So it's going to be a volatile October. There's no doubt about it. And you cannot rule out the bulls just yet, but you should be considering getting risk off very quickly because of the chart on Bitcoin. This was the chart I told you last night was very critical, because for the first time, there was the possibility we were going to break back above the 200 daily moving average and hold it as support. And as you can see, we're getting a high volume flush below it. And this is a very risk off look. So if Bitcoin is looking risk off, it's not looking great for stocks, but we will need to see the price action tomorrow. But watch Bitcoin very closely right around 60,000, and I actually want to go ahead and just move this level down. If Bitcoin holds above 60,000, it's still possible this is a higher low, and it could still be possible we do get some risk on sentiment into the rest of October. But if we break down below 60,000, I do believe there's a good chance we just start to flush and go all the way back down towards the bottom of the range right around 53,000. So I'm looking for big moves here in October. I think a lot of the risk is to the downside. As I've said many times, looking here on SPY, we will have plenty of time to react to the bullish scenario. The bulls take the stairs up. It is the bears that take the elevator down. So be very cautious, because if we get the elevator, that is going to be where all the risk is. Do not have any FOMO to the upside. You're going to have plenty of time to react to the bullish scenarios. If you want to come trade with me and get access to all of my intraday updates, my technical analysis, and my trade ideas, that is in my Discord server, which you can find out how to join by clicking on the link in the description of this video. So thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you're crushing this market. And as always, I will see you in the next episode.